Hi guys, I'm here with a quick Cupcake birthday card for you today. I used these gorgeous stamp sets from Colorado Craft Company. They're from the Big and Bold collection, and the Cupcake one is called Sweet Friend Cupcake, and the sentiment is from the birthday cake stamp set. I've had these stamp sets for quite a while, but with Christmas I just haven't had a chance to play with them yet, and I've just really been wanting to, so I'm really glad that I've had the chance to give them a go now. So as you could see there, I've just positioned my stamps into my stamping press and then I'm just stamping out the image. It did take me a little longer than usual. I think I need a new Memento ink. I picked some colours out and then I started colouring in my cupcake. First of all, I went around the edges because those were the parts that I wanted to be darker. And then I went back and filled the inner areas in. December was really busy for me, and whilst I managed to film loads of Christmas card videos, I never actually got to edit and upload them, but I should have some more time on my hands now, so I'm hoping to get a video up at least once a week. I have quite a few of these Big and Bold stamp sets from Colorado Craft Company, and I can't wait to give them all a go. I really feel like this stamp set in particular is going to be a firm favourite of mine that I'm going to use over and over again, and the cake one as well. I really want to explore the different colours that I can use with that. Another thing I love about these sets are the sentiments. The fonts are gorgeous and there's some really nice wording. And now that I've finished colouring in the frosting, I've picked a nice brown colour to colour in the cake. Here I'm just going over the crease areas in the cupcake holder, just to give it a bit of extra shadow. Rather than using a blank card base, I made my own from the 12 by 12 inch first edition Let's Celebrate paper pad. I decided to leave the card like this and not add any embellishments or anything like that. I feel that the stamp does all the work and I really just like the clean look of the card. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you don't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.